everyone, welcome to Biosecrets. Today we will discuss chapter-wise most important topics and most important questions for class 12th biology Cbse board examination. First of all, unit 1 reproduction. Chapter number 1 is human reproduction. So here important topics are, first topic is spermatogenesis, second is oogenesis, third topic is menstrual cycle, fourth is fertilization, fifth topic is implantation, and sixth topic is parturition. So these all are important topics from chapter number 1. Now come to chapter number 2. Reproductive health. First topic is contraceptive methods. Second is ART, IVF, ICSI, IUI. And last topic is population control. Next is chapter number 3, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So first important topic in chapter number 3 is pollination. Second is double fertilization. Third topic is structure of ovules and pollen grain. Fourth topic is apomixis. These all are important topics from chapter number 3, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Now see important questions in chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Question number 1 is, describe the process of double fertilization in angiosperm. Angiosperm में double fertilization के process को explain करना है आपको. Next is question number 2, explain post-fertilization changes in a flower. Next is question number 3, what is apomixis and how is it different from parthenocarpy? Now we will discuss important questions of chapter human reproduction. So question number 1 is, describe the structure and function of the male reproductive system. Question number 2 is, what is spermatogenesis? Explain its stages with a diagram. Last question is, explain hormonal regulation of the menstrual cycle. Now see the important questions of chapter reproductive health. Question number 1 is, what are the different contraceptive methods? Question number 2 is, write a short note on amniocentesis and its significance. And the last question number 3 is, how does ART, assisted reproductive technology, help in fertile couples? Now we will discuss important topics from Unit 2, Genetics and Evolution. Unit 2, Chapter number 1, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Important topics are Mendel's laws of inheritance, monohybrid and dihybrid cross, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, ABO blood group. Next chapter of second unit is molecular basis of inheritance. Important topics are DNA structure, DNA replication, transcription, translation, lac operon, and genetic code. Now third chapter of second unit is evolution. Important topics of evolution are Darwin's theory, Hardy-Weinberg principle, adaptive radiation and speciation. Now we will discuss Unit 2, Genetics and Evolution, important questions of chapter number 4, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So in this chapter, question number 1 is, explain Mendel's laws of inheritance with suitable crosses. Second question is, differentiate between incomplete dominance and codominance with examples. Third question is, what are sex-linked disorders? Explain hemophilia and color blindness. Now come to chapter number 5, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Important questions are, first question is, describe the structure of DNA and its replication process. Second question is, explain transcription and translation with diagrams. And the last question is, what is the lac operon? Explain its regulation. Now see chapter number 6, Evolution. Important questions are, question number 1 is, what is genetic drift? How does it influence evolution? Question number 2 is, explain the Hardy-Weinberg principle and its significance. Last question is, compare Darwin's and Lamarck theories of evolution. Now come to Unit 3, Biology and Human Welfare. first chapter in Unit 3 is Human Health and Disease. Important topics of this chapter are: first topic is immunity, innate and acquired. Second topic is vaccination. Third topic is AIDS. Fourth is cancer. Fifth topic, drug and alcohol abuse. Now come to second chapter of third unit, microbes in human welfare. Important topics are sewage treatment, biogas production, antibiotics and vaccines. Now we will discuss Unit 3 Biology and Human Welfare, Chapter 7 Human Health and Disease. Important questions. Question number 1 of this chapter is: describe the types of immunity and their differences. Question number 2 is: explain the life cycle of Plasmodium and its role in causing malaria. Question number 3 is: what are cancer and its causes? Mention its types and treatment. Now see next chapter number 8, microbes in human welfare. Important questions. Question number 1 is: how are microbes used in sewage treatment? Question number 2 is: explain the role of microbes in industrial production, fermented foods and antibiotics. Last question of this chapter is: describe the importance of biogas production and its microbes. Now see unit number 4, biotechnology. Chapter number 1 is biotechnology, principles and processes. Important topics of this chapter are rDNA technology, PCR, restriction enzymes and plasmids. Next chapter of this unit is biotechnology and its applications. First topic is genetically modified organisms. Second is gene therapy. Third topic is BT crops. Fourth topic is RNA interference. Now see chapter number 9, biotechnology, principles and processes. Important questions. First question is: what is radioactive DNA technology? Explain its steps. Next question is: describe the role of restriction enzymes in genetic engineering. Third question is: explain the process of PCR, polymerase chain reaction and its applications. Now come to chapter number 10, biotechnology and its applications. Important questions are: question number 1, what are transgenic plants? Mention their applications. Now second question is: explain how gene therapy is used to treat genetic disorders. Question number 3 is: how is BT cotton beneficial for farmers? Now come to unit 5, ecology. Chapter number 1 in ecology is ecosystem. So important topics of ecosystem are energy flow, food chain, ecological pyramids, nutrient cycles. Come to second chapter of ecology, biodiversity and conservation. Important topics of this chapter are hotspots, endangered species, in situ and ex situ conservation. Now come to the last chapter of ecology, that is environmental issues. So first important topic of this chapter is air and water pollution. Second topic is eutrophication. Third topic is biomagnification. Now come to important questions of chapter number 11, ecosystem. Question number 1 is: what is an ecological pyramid? Describe different types. Question number 2 is: explain the carbon cycle with a neat and clean diagram. Question number 3 is: what is primary and secondary productivity in an ecosystem? Now come to important questions of chapter number 12, biodiversity and conservation. So question number 1 is: what are different types of biodiversity? Question number 2 is: explain in situ and ex situ conservation methods. Question number 3 is: describe the importance of hotspots of biodiversity. Now come to important questions of chapter number 13, environmental issues. Question number 1 is: what is biomagnification? Explain with an example. Question number 2 is: how does eutrophication affect aquatic ecosystem? Question number 3 is: write a short note on global warming and its impact. So for your class 12th board examination, you have to prepare only these questions and all the important topics, okay? And if you have any problem in any topic or any important question, you can mention it in comment section. I will surely explain it. Now all the best for your examinations. If my video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.